In the following sequence of reactions, what is D? Here we are starting with ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, when treated with phosphorus and iodine, you will get ethyl chloride, ethyl iodide. Here we are taking iodine, you will get ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide, when treated with magnesium, you will get Grignard's reagent, CH3 CH2 Mgi. Okay. Then Grignard's reagent, when treated with formaldehyde, we know when Grignard's reagent treated with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis will give primary alcohols. Okay, here the first option is aldehyde, so this option is ruled out. Second option is also aldehyde, ruled out. What is the reason here? Grignard's reagent, when treated with formaldehyde, should give primary alcohol, followed by hydrolysis should give primary alcohol. So option D should be primary alcohol. So option C is primary alcohol, N-butyl alcohol. Option D is also primary alcohol. So now how to find out which alcohol? How many carbon atoms are there in the given compound? 2 carbon atoms. How many carbon atoms are there in formaldehyde? 1. So the final alcohol should have only 3 carbon atoms and it should be N-propyl alcohol. Here I want to teach you one shortcut. When CH3 CH2 Mgi is treated with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis, what shortcut we have to learn? Remove this double bond, put H here and write R of Grignard's reagent here. So what I should write? HCOH. Here there is already H. And what is R of Grignard's reagent? CH3 CH2. CH2 CH3. So how many carbon atoms are there in this compound? 3 carbon atoms. So your answer should be N-propyl alcohol.